Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, in this video, we will see how to view Apple ID password on iPhone. So let's begin. Open the settings, tap on your Apple ID profile, click on iCloud, scroll down and tap on password and keychain bar. Make sure that you have turned on the sync this iPhone button. Now, go back, force close the settings and again open the settings. Scroll down till you find Passwords button. Enter your password. Now, click on your Apple ID that is shown here. You'll see the password section. Once you tap on this password, your Apple ID password will be visible to you. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have got any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.